Give me the ball.
I don't need a lot, man. I just need everything you got.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, football.
Every time I'm out on that field, I know I ain't by myself. Got you with me, got you with me, got you with me. Let's go. Let's go. I love y'all boys. Let's go.
Love y'all boys. Let's go. Let's go. Come on.
Stafford surrounded by Bills and drop. Von Miller got him, the former Ram.
That boy on our side now. That boy on our side now.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. They not gonna play man, bro. Man to man, bro. Stop playing with me, bro. Give me one-on-one. I'll make you call your mama home.
Yoga, how do you come in so low and still keep your balance?
I don't know. That's impressive. I just try not to think about it.
Coach was gonna make a play.
As we get to see this replay up in the booth here, Murph, he may be about a half of a football short.
Come down.
Or is it a touchdown? Wait a minute.
The rule of the field of a touchdown has been confirmed.
I need a tub. Everybody got a tub with me. Hey, coach, can I get involved?
Runs to his right, throws it downfield, looking for Diggs. Diggs stops, touchdown Buffalo, Stephon Diggs.
I'm him. I'm him.